Hey guys, so in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing another closet clean out video. I've done one of these in the past, like a really long time ago. I don't even know if it's still up on my channel, but I personally love watching these type of videos. Like when springtime rolls around, it's a really great time to do this kind of a thing, but it's obviously fall time, so this is another great transitional period where you want to switch out your closet, obviously, depending on where you live. I am in California, so it is still pretty hot outside, and it's like mid-October, so this is just kind of like wishful thinking on my part that it will get a little bit more chilly in the coming months. But I do have a ton of clothes in my closet currently that needs to go. Like, it just is all clothes that I've never worn, or I've just worn once or twice and I'm never gonna wear again. And plus, with my recent augmentation, I do want to kind of just retry on everything to see if it still fits or if it still looks right. And I'm also going to be kind of going through a little bit of makeup declutter as well, and just things in general that I'm going to be getting rid of, because I am going to be partnering today with an amazing app that I've been using forever. The app is called Poshmark. If you guys have not heard of it, you have been living under a rock. I've made so much money using this app. I have had this app since I was in high school. So I've literally had it for a few years now, and it is literally one of the best things ever, because you guys ever just have stuff that's laying around and you're like, man, I wish I could return this, or I wish I could sell it somehow and get my money back because it's brand new, it's name brand, like all that stuff. This is basically what that is in an app. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you. Okay, so I'm on my Poshmark account right now. I am screen recording via my phone. This is like all new for me. I've never really done this before. What you guys can see on the screen right now is actually my page, so you guys can go ahead and follow me. It's Francine Marie, and on here are all of my listings. So basically all you have to do is take a picture of your item, upload the image, and then price everything. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial here in a second on how I do everything, but quickly I'll just show you the app and what it looks like. So when you go on, this is kind of your feed, so it just shows like different things of like your followers, or who you're following is what they're posting. I do follow like Trisha Paytas on here. She has a lot of really cute stuff. And then I have just random friends in my life. And then if you go to shop, you can literally type in anything you want. So say I want some Victoria's Secret sweatpants. Just type it in and then it will pop up on there, basically just anything. And you can adjust the size, use a filter. You know, you can basically customize your search and then just find something that you're looking for, because all of it's going to be at a discounted price. I'm just kind of showing you my profile here, and these are all items that I've sold in the past. The main tip I think I have is make sure it is name brand items. Sometimes off-brand stuff sells as long as you're staging the picture and making it look really cute, which I'm going to show you exactly how I take my pictures here, because I honestly noticed a huge difference. If you scroll all the way down to my profile, you'll notice I used to not really stage my pictures, meaning I would just take a picture and it would look kind of ugly and hope that it would sell. But that took a lot longer than if I took a little bit more time right at the beginning and staged the picture and made it look really pretty, because I think people, they eat with their eyes first. So if they see a picture that looks really appealing, then they'll be more likely to buy it because they'll think it's clean, they'll think it's new, which hopefully it is clean and decently new. Anyway, you get the point. I'm not going to go on forever about this here at the beginning, but I am going to go ahead and get into my closet decluttering, because that is what needs to be done right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will go ahead and do step-by-step on how I will sell all my items on Poshmark. This is my closet. So basically I have a lot of summer clothing in here. I need to switch out everything for winter clothing. A really quick life hack is to put all your winter clothes in a suitcase. I've already kind of gone through my suitcase because I was starting to do this video previously, but I had my surgery and it never got done. Anyway, this is my suitcase. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's in here. I kind of already went through it, like I said. I already put some of my summer shorts in here. For now, it still has some of my really wintry stuff, like heavier sweaters and things. I don't think I'm gonna quite switch all of that out just yet, because I don't think it's quite hot enough here in California for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave these in here, and then I'll do this another time. So I just wanted to show you quickly that this is a great storage alternative if you guys don't really know where to keep your winter and summer clothing on the off seasons. Anyway, I already went through it. So this is kind of my pile so far. So this is a pile of clothing and other items in here of stuff that I would like to sell. Before I start decluttering, I actually really want to try everything on, like I said at the beginning, and we'll make keep, donate, and sell piles. Play some music while you're trying on clothes, because literally I do not feel like doing this right now, but This is the aftermath so far. So this is my summer clothes slash clothes I'm not gonna wear for a while, like my interview clothing and stuff like that. And then I have my giving away pile. So this is all stuff that I don't think I'm gonna be able to sell. I've been on Poshmark for a while, so I know exactly what sells and what doesn't sell. Stuff that doesn't sell are just items that don't have a brand or just things that are a little bit more worn down. So I'm gonna go ahead and donate those to Goodwill. And then this is my pile of stuff that I wanted to sell on Poshmark. And then over here, I was just about to go through this, but I thought I'd show you guys. This is my pile of winter clothes that I'm about to put up in my closet. So look at how crazy different it looks. It looks so much more organized and empty. So I haven't put my winter clothes in here just yet. What I kept is my work clothes in the front, my black attire for my job, and then here are just some tank tops. This is all just stuff that I'm still gonna be able to wear for a while. If anything, I can just throw like a little cardigan over it or something. So yeah, and then my dresses are all in the back there. But yeah, my room is a pigsty currently, so I need to figure out my life. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start hanging up my clothes. Okay, so surprisingly, this is all that I have put in there from my winter clothing. I mean, I still have a bunch of stuff, like all up there is like haul stuff to come. So I'm sure this will fill up, but I'd rather have it more empty than full, because honestly, when I have it super full, it's just super overwhelming. So right now my room is a friggin' hot mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold everything just so I can see what I have and then kind of sort out everything. So this is a pile of stuff that I'm going to be selling today on Poshmark. What's really important, like I was saying earlier, is to stage your listings. So I like to have a really clean backdrop. This is actually just a blanket that I think I got from Target. Have a clean backdrop. It could be your carpet on the floor, whatever you have. Have these sweatpants. I'm not gonna lie, it's really hard to position pants on a bed. Okay, so this is the best that I could do on my space, which kind of sucks because it's literally going to be outside the edges, but just kind of what you're gonna have to do with certain listings. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of this. Take it with flash, without flash, just try a bunch of different options and angles. Okay, so now we're ready to sell our item on Poshmark. So you're gonna wanna open up the app, then you're gonna click on the sell icon at the bottom. It has a little camera, and then you're gonna go ahead and upload a photo. And then the app gives you the option to go ahead and crop the photo if you'd like. After that, it will give you options for filters if you want. And then you're gonna go ahead and add details. So for the title, I just went ahead and said Victoria's Secret sweatpants. Just wanna make it plain and simple, but eye-catching, so that way people will actually click on it. Then I'll hit the description box. I kind of just describe the item very generally. I don't really go into too much detail unless I feel like I need to. I usually just write the condition of the item and any other kind of things that they might want to know about it. And then you're going to go ahead and select a category. These are like sweatpants, obviously, so I went ahead and chose the track pants and joggers since I didn't really see sweatpants as an option, but just go with whatever you think. And then include size the item is, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in the brand. So I typed in Victoria's Secret pink. And if you want, you can add the color. This is kind of optional at this point. And then you're going to go down to the original price box. In order to find out your original price, if you don't remember, I like to go to Google and kind of type in whatever item it is I'm selling, and then just kind of look and see what the item's going for online. And if it's around the same price you think you paid for, that's kind of what I go for and base my listings off of. And then I'll just write whatever listing price you want. Now with the listing price, it's really just up to you and what you think is fair. You definitely don't want to go too high or too low. You want to go somewhere in that sweet spot. You want it to be fair so people aren't like, oh my gosh, that's like way too much money for a used pair of sweatpants. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really pretty simple. As you guys can see, this is just the listing here. It's super easy. Sorry, I look like a hot mess. I've changed like 500 times in this video. But if someone does happen to buy your listing, they're just gonna email you a tracking thing, and then they're gonna also email you the labels, so that way you can go ahead and package up your item and put it off into the post office to sell. Hey guys, that is what I usually do for Poshmark. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that. I'm gonna go ahead and go, but I hope you guys found this video interesting and helpful, and if you guys are in the middle of cleaning out your closet, good luck to you, because this is seriously a multiple day process for me because I haven't cleaned out my closet in a hot minute. I was gonna show you guys me cleaning out my makeup, but this video is already so long. I can do that in a whole separate video if you'd like. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I put out videos once a week. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media because I'm posting on there whenever I am not on YouTube. But yeah guys, I guess I'll go ahead and see you all in my next one. Bye.
I feel like I'm King Kong, name still going ding dong.
Oh my god, he's literally cleaning outside my window right now. I found a baby. Yay, look at you. Such a big girl.